with confidence. When I got a little roll like hips and take a sip on it. Take a trip on it. When I got you can go slow.
What's up guys, it's your girl Brianna aka MiniMarley and I'm back for another video. Today's video is going to be all about hair color, and you guys know that I have been playing with hair color for about a year now and it's just getting better. I started with a nice kind of blondish color, then we went to the ginger, and then recently if you follow me on Instagram then you would have seen that I kind of went red for a hot little minute. I actually posted that Instagram reel as a YouTube short, so if you haven't seen it, definitely check my last upload to see how I got that red color. That's what I had before, and in this video I'm going to show you how I went from that to this. I was dying for a nice deep plum moment for the fall and I feel like I nailed it. So let's just go ahead and jump right into the process. Hair color is always fun. It's like being an artist and getting to play with color, and I'm just having so much fun. So come along for the ride, girl. I am starting off on super old hair. I don't remember what I had in my hair before I did this process because I did film this back in November. But as you can see, I did a quick test strand, which I pretty much always do, but the test strand really was not giving plum and I was just not sure at this point, but I moved forward anyway. The test strand is just this Wella Color Fresh Color Depositing Conditioner in the color Rose, and because it wasn't giving me plum, I also added in the Wella Color Charm paints in the color Wild Orchid, which is basically like a purple. So I wanted to make that test strand darker, so I figured the purple would give me that plum effect that I wanted, but when I mix them together it just looks purple. So I wasn't sure, but I just decided to move forward with it, so I started sectioning off my hair. So like I said, you should definitely go back and watch my YouTube short where I showed you how I got my hair red before this, and as you can see the red faded all the way out and now I'm applying this on top. So this is a pretty fun process, but you kind of don't know 100% sure what you're gonna get because as you can see I still have kind of like a gingery orangish reddish color underneath, and then I was adding this purplish color on top. So I was really just hoping for the best, but I was massaging it in, making sure to really get it thoroughly applied. I also went in with my wide tooth comb and combed it through. My main concern right now is to make sure that it doesn't come out patchy. No matter what color it turns out to be, I want to make sure that it looks cohesive and smooth and I don't have patches. So I'm just really making sure that I'm generous with the color, combing through each small section and just really thoroughly applying that to my hair. And I was starting to worry at this point because I could still see the red peeking through, but I was just going with it. But once I got halfway done, I realized that I was not gonna have enough color to finish the other side of my hair, and I was so sad because I hate making this mistake. But I went to Sally's and got more of this color, and as you can see, that's what the two colors look like in the bowl, and then when you mix them together I got that purplish color that I showed you earlier. So I'm just going to continue to apply this to my hair. Now, color depositing conditioner is not hair dye. It's not going to lighten your hair. This is literally just to refresh your hair. Say you have red hair color already, but it's starting to look faded. You can use a color depositing conditioner like the Wella one that I've been loving, and it will just make your hair more vibrant again. So I've just been playing around with that to try to get my hair to different shades and colors that I like, but this only works on hair that's already been lightened or hair that is already naturally light and it is temporary. So this is going to wash out. It's actually January now and it has pretty much faded out and I'm kind of back to that reddish color underneath. So yeah, this is just a really fun way to play with the color, kind of get some different shades and different tones, and I was actually really happy with the way that this turned out. But as you can see, we're still working on it. I applied it to both sides of my hair at this point, and I went ahead and sat under a hooded dryer with a shower cap on so that I could really let it sink in and soak in. And when I took off that shower cap, I was really surprised. Like I said, that red was really peeking through strong and I just wasn't sure if the hair was gonna get dark, but as you can see, it really did, and that's exactly what I wanted for the fall and winter months. And so far I was loving it. I was trusting the process and really happy with where we ended up. I decided that I wanted to style my hair using a braid out, mostly because it's quick and easy, so that's what I did. I went ahead and braided my hair and let it dry overnight, and this is what my braids are looking like. I added some oil to my hands so that I can give them a little bit of slip as I start to unravel these braids. And as usual, make sure that you're taking your time during the takedown. With any natural hairstyle, the takedown is just as important as when you are styling your hair. And as you can see, the curls are curling. I have so much definition from this braid out. My hair has honestly been so healthy in the last few months, ever since my mom cut it. And I'm really happy about that.
I just wanna be your bride.
So I am just continuing to work my way through, and I'm just going to make sure that I section and coil each little curl around my finger so that I get a really nice and defined braid out. And you can really start to see the color now. When your hair is wet, it's always going to look darker than it looks when it starts to dry. So as you can see now that I'm taking down my hair and it's dry, I really did achieve that plum type of color. Because I had done the red before this, I feel like that red tone is still there, but adding in the purple just really gave me that perfect plum shade that I really wanted. I didn't want it to be so bright and in your face anymore. I wanted it to be a little bit more moody and dark, and I really feel like I achieved that color. Let me know in the comments below. I included the footage of me separating my hair in real time because I just wanted to show you how I really take my time when I am taking down my styles. A lot of people ask me questions about the way I style my hair and how do I get that, and when they try it at home they just don't get the same look. And of course everybody's hair is going to turn out differently because everybody's hair is different. But if you are not taking your time the way I am when you're taking down your hair, I guarantee that is probably one of your biggest problems. Separate slowly, girl. Coil around the fingers like this and you will get there. So as you can see, this is what the hair is looking like, but I went ahead and stretched and fluffed off camera, and this is what my hair turned out like in the end. This plum color is so cute. I love the way it came out, and I will definitely link the products that I used down below. My hair has now faded again, and I am ready to re-dye it. So give me some suggestions in the comments. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it and really got all caught up with the hair color shenanigans because things change so quickly around here. But I love the way that my hair turned out. I really feel like I nailed it, and it was so fun to do. And I love that this process is not damaging, and since my hair is already lightened, the possibilities are just endless. But that is all I have for you guys today. Don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any more content from me. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.